For years, construction industry have faced frustrating challenges in trenching applications. Uneven cuts, irregular trenches, and costly downtime are just the tip of the iceberg. What if there was a way to revolutionize the way we excavate? KEMROC is more than just a machine. It's a paradigm shift in trenching technology. By embracing innovation, we can unlock new levels of efficiency, safety, and sustainability in our construction projects. Costly maintenance and downtime due to inefficiency are challenges we can overcome today. Say goodbye to uneven and irregular trenches that lead to rework. With KEMROC, you'll reduce operational costs and keep your projects on track. KEMROC's innovative design allows for material reuse, reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact. The reduced wear on your excavator and lower fuel consumption further contribute to your bottom line. Visit our website and experience the future of trenching and unlock the full potential of your construction projects. KEMROC Revolution of Cutting.